So climate leadership in products is a really big issue. Sustainable design can be defined as maximizing the social, environmental, and economic benefits of a product over the product's life cycle while minimizing the social and environmental cost of that product. So climate leadership in product is all about understanding where we can take that triple bottom line framework and really drive for important change within a product. Product can also be a great place for different groups to come together to understand how we can continue to drive both incremental change as well as leadership of products that actually influence consumer behavior and drive lasting behavioral change within all of us. Designing and engineering a sustainable product is a really complex endeavor because it really starts from setting really clear intentions and making it a priority across the leadership of the company. If you don't have leadership understanding it as a priority, it will never trickle down successfully. So it's really important that you first set it as an organizational priority and make sure that everyone else is aligned on how important it is within your organization. Once that priority is set, then you can really start to drill that down further into establishing clear metrics and goals. Where are you trying to go? And how are you trying to measure it, right? Are you intending to measure it on tons of CO2 emitted, or are you going for a more holistic measurement that incorporates things like social justice and it takes more of a triple bottom line look at where you're trying to go? So once you have the leadership goals clearly set, then you can start setting those goals and metrics on a more product level or on a more personal level. And then everyone in the organization can start to see how they fit into this overall mission. Once the clear goals and metrics are set, then it's really important to take a data-based approach at both design and assessment of the product, right? We can't solve things that we can't assess. So it's important that we use data to really underpin where a product is at from an environmental footprint perspective. And once we understand all of the different facets of a life cycle assessment, all the way from raw material extraction through disposal, we can focus in on the greatest areas of potential impact. At Synapse, we call those hotspots. And this is an entire body of work. It's just to assess the hotspots and discuss how you can improve them. But if you haven't assess the hotspots in the first place, you could be investing your effort in the wrong place. So it's really important that we keep that data-based approach at the very bedrock of everything that we do. Yeah, I think everybody is aware that climate is really at a tipping point, and it's really becoming a greater and greater priority for so many product owners, for so many business leaders. And it seems like everyone is curious, how do I get started in this, right? Every single product owner or business leader has a role to play, but I think sometimes people can get really confused as to where to start. So I think this is a great opportunity for you to engage with some of the best minds in the business about how do you convert good intentions into actual positive action. I think that this is a great opportunity to learn from peers as well about what others are doing to get started in this work. And then if you are already started in this work, learn how to continue to convert good intentions into impact and to understand, what you're doing today, how large that is on a relative scale, and then where you need to go in the next 5 to 10 years.